What have we here?
I think we have the steps.
These are steps from RV Co. And we're going to put them together and let you see how they work. Well, what we have here is the RV Co. 4-step freestanding stair unit for RVs and tiny homes. These are all aluminum and foldable to fit right over the steps of your motorhome. Now, we didn't notice the shipping weight, but you may want a second person or dolly to help you move it once it's been delivered. However, as you'll see in the video, once we opened the box and Derek was able to get things figured out, he was also able to pick up the unit and move it pretty easily. But let's back up. A few weeks ago, I was on a Tiffin owner's page and I saw this. Steps with a handrail that fold and unfold that you sit right over the top of the motorhome steps. I had personally never seen this before and was not familiar with the brand or the company. Now you have to understand I am a very serious klutz. I can trip and fall on pretty much nothing. And falling up a set of stairs as well as down a set of stairs is a very real possibility for me, especially in and out of a motorhome. So the idea of portable steps with a handrail was very appealing. Once I realized how useful these could be, I quickly showed them to Derek, and then we called the number on the web page, fully expecting to get voicemail. Instead, a very pleasant man answered. Turns out that was Gary Holly, the owner of RV Co. We chatted for a bit about where I saw the steps and talked about what model would work best for us. We gave him some measurements and said, let's do it. The unit we got was the freestanding step unit that fits over the top of our Tiffin Motorhomes electric step unit. The motorhome steps can operate as normal even with the RV Co unit in place. It has a handrail on the left side and a post on the front of the right hand side. There's the directions. That's pretty cool. I don't have to dig for them. They're right there. Derek with his handy dandy Swiss Army knife, always at the ready. There we go. All right. We'll take a look at those, and these are the parts and pieces. So we'll see what we need to do. All right. Does it have to get tightened up here? Oh, you already did it. Okay. Whoa. Okay. We took everything out of the box and laid the pieces out. The steps themselves are pre-assembled, so all you have to do is tighten the sides and insert the rails, and tighten those down. Setup and takedown, once you get the hang of it, is pretty straightforward. And there they are, the finished steps. All right, let's give them a try here. I really like having a handrail. Ooh, that's so nice. So cool. There's. What do you think?
Yeah, that's...
I really like them. Going out has sometimes been problematic. I've never fallen, knock on wood, but it's sure nice to have something that's this sturdy. Excellent. Well, thank you very much, RV Co. We are very happy with them. Now, next we just have to figure out where we're going to put them when we're traveling, but we'll figure that out. Taking them down was just as straightforward, again, once we got the hang of it and once we figured out which bay to store them in. All right, well, all in all, what are your impressions?
I like them. They're lightweight, they're sturdy, and they fold up very nicely and are easily stored.
Yeah, once we figured out which bay we're going to put them in.
Yeah. It took us a little while to reorganize the other stuff
and
in
that
the
was
bay.
a bonus. We got to clear out a couple of the bays that was like,
Yeah,
what is this?
some of this stuff, like, why are we carrying this
Why
around?
do we have this? It's like, we don't know. It's like, get rid of it. So, it helped us to kind of clear out a bay as well. So, yeah, I think all in all, we're pretty pleased with them.
Very, yeah.
Now, in all honesty, if we were only going to stay in a campground one night or a boondocking site one night,
Probably wouldn't pull them out.
I don't think we'd pull them out. We'd probably just use our standard little step stool that we've got.
Mm-hmm.
But if we're going to stay 2 or more nights, very likely we pull them out for 2, and for sure if we're going to stay more than 3.
Yeah, 3 or more. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
They're really
they're just
nice and sturdy. They have that little platform so that you got nice space where you can open up the door and not feel like you're going to fall off the steps or anything.
Yeah. It's a level
So
of
really
it takes
good.
away a level of concern. Because while you still want to hold on, it just feels better to have a handrail, not just the little hand grip that's up by the door. So, so in the interest of safety, make sure you always hold on to something when you're getting in and out of a motorhome, no matter how old or young you are. It's just can be very unsafe.
Yeah.
We are absolutely confident that you will have as good an experience with Gary and Debbie as we did. They have lots of different products, and they have steps that will fit pretty much anything. Trailers and fifth wheels, and they have portable decks, and it's just an amazing array of things, all made in the United States and made through Gary's company, so Gary and Debbie's company. So I will put a link to their website in the description, so be sure and check out below for all the information that you need. We totally encourage you to get a hold of RV Co. Tell them 2 Restless Retirees sent you, and see if you can find something that will work for you to help you feel a little more safe getting in and out of your RV. So for more fun adventures, because we have fun adventures coming up.
Yes, we do.
And for more campground reviews and product reviews, be sure you hit that subscribe button.
And press like and ring the bell to get notified.
Okay, and until next time, Restless friends, you take care.
Bye.